In this video, I will guide you on how to download X videos to your phone gallery. First, launch open the X app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. If you want to download the X videos, then first you want to go ahead and find the video that you want to download. So for example, if this is the video you want to download, tap on it. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here you should be able to find the option of download video. Go ahead and tap on that. Now remember that to download videos on X, you need to have premium subscription. If you do not have premium subscription, you will not be able to download it. So go ahead and tap on the upgrade option and subscribe to X Premium. Once you have been subscribed to X Premium, you will get many other features including downloading videos, enhanced experience, bookmark folders, customization, and you also have some advanced features like verified tick, enhanced crop access, create custom timelines. So go ahead and tap on the subscribe and pay option. Then you can simply head back to the video you want to download and then download it from there. But if you do not want to subscribe to premium, then all you can do is screen record the video. You can play the video, then use the inbuilt screen recorder tool to record this video. In this way, you can easily download videos from X. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.